Experiencing overheating on your new iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max after updating to iOS 19.1? You're not alone. The most common causes are intensive background processes, app behaviors, and battery interactions. Specifically, the update triggers Spotlight indexing, which rebuilds databases for faster searches. This process, along with AI-driven features, can max out your CPU and GPU, leading to temperatures exceeding 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 Celsius. Also, certain apps, especially social media and productivity tools, can drain the battery faster post-update, generating even more heat. The dynamic island and always-on display also contribute due to their constant processing demands. Essentially, the software optimization for the A18 Pro chip introduces bugs, causing runaway processes and overheating. To fix overheating, first force restart your iPhone 17. Press and hold the side button and a volume button until the power off slider appears, then slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then press the side button to restart. Next, reset all settings to clear out corrupted indexing data. Navigate to Settings, then General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone and reset. Choose Reset All Settings. To manage apps, close unnecessary ones using the App Switcher. Enable optimized battery charging in Settings, Battery Health. Also, disable background app refresh and limit Siri suggestions to reduce processing. For battery issues, calibrate by draining to 0% and charging to 100% fully twice. Check battery health in Settings. If below 80%, consider replacing it through AppleCare Plus. Finally, manually trigger re-indexing by toggling Spotlight off and back on in Settings, Siri, and Search. This can stop the overheating caused by indexing.